Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is a quick tutorial on how you can join in your classes in Google Classroom. I'll show you both the desktop version as well as the Android version for joining your classes. So keep watching. Firstly, we'll see how you can join your classes when your teacher has sent you an invitation to your email ID. Open your Gmail account and click on the invitation your teacher has sent you. Inside that invitation, you will see an option to join the classroom. When you click on join option, you will be joining in your classes. However, if you have more than one Gmail account in your computer device, it will ask you through which account you want to log in. So you have to select whether this account you want to use for your Google Classroom or you want to switch your account. If you want to switch that account, you can click on the switch account option which is given there. Otherwise, you can simply click on join option. Once you click on join option, you will be joining in your classroom. Now let's see how you can join your classroom using your subject code. Open your Gmail account and go to the right top corner where you will find a 9 dot symbol, which we usually call as the Google Apps. When you click it, you will be able to see all the products of Google. Among those products, you have to find where Google Classroom application is. Scroll it down and you will be able to see it. Once you found it, click on that application. It will open the Google Classroom web page for you. This is the interface of Google Classroom. Now, in order to join your classroom, click on the plus sign on the right top corner. It will give you two options, join and create. As you are a student, you have to click on join the class option. Once you click it, it will ask you to enter your class code. Here you have to type or paste the code which you received from your class teacher. After entering the code, click on join. Once you click on join, now you have joined your classroom. This is the desktop version of joining your Google Classroom using your subject code as well as a mail link. Now let us see how you can join your Google Classroom in your mobile devices. In order to join Google Classroom through your mobile devices, first of all you have to install Google Classroom application into your mobile device. For this, you can directly go to your Play Store and install Google Classroom application from there. Otherwise, you can do one more thing. You can open your Google browser. There you can type Google Classroom and you can see the application there. Click on the install application, which will automatically take you to your Play Store. There you have to once again click on install. Once the application is installed, click on open. Now your application is installed into your mobile device. You can see the interface. Click on get started. That will ask you through which account you want to use your Google Classroom. You have to select the mail account which you will be using for your Google Classroom. Once you select it, click on OK. Now you have logged into your Google Classroom. In order to join the class, go to the right top corner where you will find a plus symbol. Click on that plus symbol, which will give you two options, join and create. Click on join classroom because you are a student now. Once you click on join, you will be joining into your classroom, but before that you have to enter the subject code. The subject code given by your teacher, you can enter it here and click on the join option at the top. Now you are into your classroom. Now let us see how you can join your classroom using an email link sent by your teacher. For this, you have to go to your Gmail account, open your Gmail account and click on the invitation link sent by your teacher. In it, you will be able to find the joining option. Once you found it, click on the join. It will ask you through which application you want to use your Google Classroom. Now click on more. That will show you Google Classroom. Once you click it, it will ask you through which mail account you want to access your Google Classroom. Click on the mail and click on OK. Once you give OK, now you are part of your Google Classroom. This is your page. And if you go to the bottom, you will see an option called people. When you click it, you will be able to see all your teachers as well as your classmates in that particular class. That's all, students. This is how you join your classes, either using your subject code or your invitation link sent by your teachers in desktop version as well as in mobile version. I hope this video will be useful to you. If you like it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you are new here, consider subscribing to my channel because I make videos for teachers as well as for students. And I thank you all for watching.